On October 4th, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1. This small satellite was the first artificial object to orbit the Earth. The event shocked the United States. It triggered a sense of urgency and competition. The Cold War was at its peak. The space race had begun. In response, the United States established the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, in 1958. Welcome to Things to Know About. Today, NASA. NASA's mission was clear: to lead the world in space exploration. This new agency consolidated existing research groups and facilities. It quickly began developing ambitious programs to catch up with the Soviet Union. The race was on to develop more sophisticated satellites, explore the unknown, and ultimately land a human on the moon. The early days of NASA were marked by intense pressure and rapid innovation. The agency worked tirelessly to design and build new rockets, spacecraft, and technologies. Each mission represented a step forward, a chance to demonstrate American ingenuity and technological prowess. The eyes of the world were watching, and the stakes had never been higher. To achieve its ambitious goals, NASA needed exceptional individuals. They needed pilots who could push the boundaries of human endurance and courage. In 1959, NASA introduced the Mercury 7. These 7 men, Alan Shepard, Gus Grissom, John Glenn, Scott Carpenter, Wally Schirra, Deke Slayton, and Gordon Cooper, were selected from a pool of highly decorated test pilots. They became instant celebrities, embodying the spirit of American daring and adventure. The selection process for the Mercury 7 was rigorous. They faced grueling physical and psychological tests. They were subjected to extreme temperatures, G-forces, and sensory deprivation. Their mental acuity and ability to remain calm under pressure were constantly evaluated. Those who made it through possessed a rare combination of skill, courage, and resilience. They were, as Tom Wolfe famously put it, the embodiment of the right stuff. The Mercury 7 astronauts became national heroes. They appeared on magazine covers, in television specials, and at public events. They represented the best of America. Their bravery and determination inspired a generation. They showed the world that with enough courage and ingenuity, anything was possible. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy challenged America to land a man on the moon. Project Apollo was born, representing the most ambitious technological undertaking in history. Thousands of engineers and scientists dedicated themselves to this mission. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step onto the lunar surface. The Apollo 11 mission marked a pivotal moment in human history. Public engagement and the price of ambition. The Apollo program captivated the world. Millions tuned in to watch the launches, the lunar landings, and the astronauts' triumphant returns. NASA became synonymous with exploration and discovery. The agency's achievements inspired countless young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. However, the immense cost of the space program drew criticism from some quarters. The Vietnam War was ongoing, and many argued that the resources devoted to space exploration could be better spent addressing problems here on Earth. As the Apollo program neared its end, public interest waned. The final lunar mission, Apollo 17, took place in 1972. The focus shifted to new challenges, including the development of a reusable spacecraft, the Space Shuttle. Beyond the Moon, the Space Shuttle, tragedy, and a new generation of exploration. The Space Shuttle program, launched in 1981, marked a new era for NASA. The reusable shuttles Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour made space travel more routine. They carried astronauts on missions from deploying satellites to repairing the Hubble Space Telescope. The shuttle program advanced our understanding of space and scientific research. However, the program faced tragedies. In 1986, the Challenger disaster claimed 7 lives. The nation mourned, leading to a reassessment of NASA's safety protocols. In 2003, Columbia broke apart upon re-entry, killing all 7 crew members. These tragedies highlighted the risks of space exploration. Despite setbacks, NASA continues to push exploration boundaries. The agency has sent missions to Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. The International Space Station has been a continuous human presence in space for over 2 decades. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025. The agency also plans human missions to Mars in the 2030s. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, be safe.